everybody. Well, the day has finally come. Install day on the truck. Let's get her done, man. So hopefully the weather works out for us today because it's not looking too great. Weatherman is saying about a 90% chance, but hopefully it's afternoon showers. I would think if I start now, it's what, 9:43 a.m. If I'm at least done by 3-4 o'clock, you know, taking breaks, everything, I think I'll beat the rain. And if not, I got a tent. I'll put it over the truck and I work under the rain. But we are getting that shit installed today. Yeah. Right. One last look at her. About to go in, man. Here we go, baby. Install day. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's go, baby. Checked up. Next coming up, we're gonna take off the upper control arm after we loosen all this stuff. Because remember, I'm changing this. And this is what's coming out. All right. So yeah, man, so far so good. When you got the right tools, stuff goes well. A little bit. Not for the weak. This is not for the weak. All right, one side done. Lubed up, ready to go. It's about to fucking rain. All right. Done. Wow, this is not for the weak, my friends. Oh, hello, little rib. Woo, I think I've lost like 10 pounds today, but that's what the fuck I'm talking about, baby. So, this is before I do all the trimming. Really ain't that much. It's basically what I've seen everywhere online. But what I did was, I put a little hole in this plastic here, put a tie wrap in it, and here, I banged that little bracket up, and now I'm cutting the little OEM mud flap that goes here, basically right to here, and that's it. Done, ready to go. We are done. My old man helped me since 10 o'clock in the morning, and we finally got it done, bro. Wow. They make it look so much easier on YouTube. But let me turn this around. Definitely love the way that it came out, man. Looks sick. Clean, super clean, super clean. Super clean. Sheesh. Really aggressive. Nice. Nice. All right, what's up, guys? So basically today I'm gonna take the truck to get the alignment done after installation. We installed everything on Saturday, but you know, because of work and things like that this week, I didn't have a chance to do anything sooner. So yeah, the truck, you know, rides pretty decent, but of course you got to get the alignment done. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll definitely be putting some videos of them, you know, doing the alignment, things like that, make it look interesting. But I'll keep you guys in the loop and let you know how it goes, and then we'll do a little ride test, see how everything goes. All right, check you back in a few. Alignment. alignment done. So we're all tightened up. Definitely night and day difference from when I put the suspension on. I thought it was actually riding pretty smooth like that, and it wasn't so bad, but yeah, it was definitely a lot worse than what it is right now. It's basically back to factory. The reaction out of the turning is like, the steering wheel is like basically it's perfect. Like no hands, doing very good right now. You know, the road is not so great, but as far as the ride quality, it's amazing, man. So yeah, guys, very happy with the way it came out. This is exactly what I was expecting, you know, from everything that I did my research on as far as the Eibach stage 2, and I'm extremely happy with it. Like I said, the stance and the aggressive look that it has now is definitely what I was looking for. You know, I had been looking at, you know, rough country, and I have been looking at, you know, ReadyLIFT and Zone and all these other, you know, lift kits, but I wanted something that was not too crazy, not too out of this world. You know, I like pretty much, you know, smooth, clean look, nothing too crazy. You know, yeah, I'm extremely happy, guys. Hopefully you guys like it too. Now let's do some badass shots of the truck. So yeah, guys, this is how she's sitting. Came out pretty damn good for me. I'm extremely happy with it. Like I said, I did the Eibach stage 2, not the stage 2R. And man, I am so happy with it. Got the 1-inch with spring in the back with the shock. Got the adjustable coilovers in the front with the ReadyLIFT SST upper control arms. The Arena Jackle wheels, 22x10. And then, of course, the Toyo Open Country AT3s, 35x12.5, 22. And yeah, man, I'm extremely happy with it. I think she looks phenomenal for me. And yeah, man, let me know what you guys think. But she's sitting real pretty, man. Give you a nice little look from the front too, because the stance is ridiculous. Beautiful. Oh yeah.